So part 3, for the solved problems on keys, let's go with problem number 7 and 8. Okay? To start, a flat key is used in a 50 millimeter diameter shaft, okay, that will transmit 2.5 kilonewton meters of torque. Bearing stress na naman binigay, okay? Bearing stress is 450 MPa. Now, compute for the cross-sectional dimension of the flat key to be used using a key length of 22 mm. So, wala tayong height. Okay? Yun yung hinahanap niya. So, for that number 7, we know that SB, K, of the key is equal to twice of the torque, okay, divided by H over 2 L diameter ng shaft. Simplifying 4T divided by H L diameter of the shaft. Ang kailangan ko is H. Okay? So H is equal to 4T divided by SBK L diameter ng shaft. Okay? 4 times the torque na 2.5 kilonewton meter. 2.5 times 1,000 para maging newtons. Okay? Times yung meter, gawin ko millimeter. Okay? Times 1,000 millimeter. Okay? Divided by SBK, ano yung K? 450 MPa. 450 Newton per millimeter squared. Times the length of the key. The length of the key is 22 mm. 22 mm. Now, for the diameter of the shaft, 50 mm. Cancel all same units. Newton, Newton. Mm squared, mm squared. Yan. So, matitira is mm. Therefore, the height of the key is equal to 4 times 2.5 times 1,000. Para hindi na ako magta-type ulit ng 1,000, square ko na lang. Okay? 450 times 22 times 50. So, the answer is 20.2020 mm. Check natin if that is correct. Basic again. Okay? Next problem, number 8. Yan. A rectangular key was used in a pulley connected to a line shaft that transmits 18 kilowatts at 580 RPM. Okay? So, wag niyong pansinin yung line shaft. If the shearing stress on the key is 250 MPa, determine the force acting on the key length. Okay? If the key width is 1/4 of the shaft diameter and key length is of 1 inch. Okay? Ganito yan. Kapag sinabing rectangular key or square key, W is equal to H. And that is equal to diameter ng shaft divided by 4. May binigay bang diameter ng shaft dyan? Wala. Okay? Walang binigay. So, dito tayo magmumula para makuha natin yung torque sa power. Okay? So, for number 8, you begin with power on the shaft. Huwag mong pansinin si line shaft. Okay? Huwag mong pansinin yun. So, this is, okay, power is T, N divided by factor. Ang binigay sa akin si power, si N. Si factor, determinable. Wala akong torque. Okay? Pwede bang gawin ko siyang in terms of the torque? So, torque on the shaft is equal to the torque on the key. Okay? This is equal to power times factor divided by N. Okay? O, as is na yan. Tapos, meron tayong shearing stress on the key. Okay? Shear stress on the key is equal to, hindi to 16T over pi d cube ba? Mali kayo doon. So, this is shearing stress. Yung force, okay, force on the shaft divided by area ng shear. So, this is 2T over WLDS. Okay? Paslak po dyan yung torque. Ano bang hinahanap natin? The force acting on the key. Okay? So, pwede na pala ako dito. Force on the shaft. Okay? Ang problema ko nga, wala akong torque. Diba? Napadaanin ko muna dito sa torque. So, sige, pwede na. Meron na pala akong, hindi ko na magagamit si SSK. Kahit di ko na gamitin yan. So, dito na, sa working equation natin, Fs divided by AS. Okay? Area ng shaft. Okay? Equal to 2T over WL, area ng shaft, area ng shear, WL ds. So, ibig sabihin, di ba, yung area ng shear is equal to WL. So, maka-cancel ko ito, AS, WL. Therefore, Fs is equal to 2T divided by diameter ng shaft. May binigay bang diameter ng shaft dito? Yun, patay tayo dyan. Walang diameter ng shaft. Saan ko hanapin ngayon yan? Equate ko na lang siya, pero kung may given diameter ng shaft, ito kagad yung gagamitin nating solution. Okay? Pero wala nga eh. So, balik tayo dito. Back to the drawing board. Okay? Pwede bang gamitin ko muna si shearing stress ng key para makuha ko yung diameter ng shaft. Okay? Yung length ko, meron ako. Yung W is wala. Okay? But we know that W is equal to diameter of the shaft divided by 4. Okay? Simplify natin. Shearing stress on the key is equal to 2T over W. Okay? Yung W papalitan natin. Palitan natin ng ds over 4 times L times ds. Okay, simplify natin. This will become 8t over ds squared L. Hanapin ko muna si ds. So, ds squared is equal to 8 torque divided by SSK tapos L. So, square root. Okay? ds is equal to square root ng 8 torque. Ano yung torque natin? Torque is power times factor divide by N SK L. Okay. Equal to, square root na natin lahat ng value. 8 times the power. Power given is 18 kilowatts. 18 kilowatts times 9549123 Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatts. Okay, divided by yung N na given there. N is 580 RPM. 580 RPM every 250 Newton per millimeter squared. 250 Newton per millimeter squared times the length na 1 inch. Length of 1 inch. So, 1 inch is equal to, in mm, 25.4. So, 25.4 mm. Cancel all same units. Kilowatt, Newton, mm, RPM, and RPM. Naka-square ito, kaya magiging millimeter na lang. So, square root ng 8 times 18 times 9549123. Okay? 580 times 250 times 25.4. Hindi pa dito natatapos yan, ha? Diameter of the shaft pa lang to. So, diameter of the shaft is equal to 19.3223 mm. Store natin to kay A. Yung value niya. Store to A. Ayan. So, anong hinahanap natin? Yung force. Tandaan natin that the torque okay, is equal to force times diameter divided by 2. Okay? Ang hinahanap natin is the force. Okay? The force is equal to 2T over ds. Okay. Twice of the torque. Yung torque natin is power factor. So, 18 kilowatts times factor 9549123 Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatts. Okay? Divide by yung N, 580 RPM times diameter of the shaft na nakastore kay A. Ayan. So, cancel all these same units. Kilowatt, kilowatt. RPM, RPM. Yung A is in mm. Okay, mm din dito. Cancel. So, Newton. Ang kailangan ko ay kilonewton. Kaya, i-multiply natin to ng 1 kilonewton every 1,000 newtons. Okay, cancel, cancel. So, answer, 2 times 18 times 9549123. Okay? Times, divide by 580. Naka-recall natin si A. Times 1,000. So, the answer is, bakit kulang, sir? Diameter of the shaft divided by 2 torque. Okay? Bakit kulang to? Diameter of the shaft ba binigay dito? No. Ano hinahanap? The force acting on the key length pala. Key length, within the key length. The force acting, so, hindi na siya dapat divided by 2. Tama ba? Diameter of the shaft. Tama naman. 8. Power factor. May pinindot pa ba akong iba? Force acting on the key length. Tama kung ginalaw dyan. A rectangular key. W. 250, okay? Tama naman. So, meron akong 250. Okay. 30.641 6741. 6741. Okay? Multiply ko ng 2 ito. Okay? So, ito yung F natin. Let me check.